newly released PEC-PG results is not just a list of names. It's a reminder of how competitive global academic funding has become and why preparation, timing, and strategy now matter more than ever. If you apply for the PEC-PG scholarship, the final result has been released and it is no longer a news. Well, in this video, I will briefly acknowledge the result outcome, congratulate those that were selected, and guide those that were not. I'll also explain what your next strategic steps should be like. Right now, I will now switch to my screen and walk you through the list. Alright guys, you're welcome back. So right now, I'm going to be starting with those people whose name are not on list. You see, if your name is not on this final list, it is important to be clear about one thing. This outcome is not a judgment of your intelligence. It is not a judgment of your academic quality or your future potential. As we all know, a lot of people, the first list actually contains a lot of names. So for them to get to this particular level, like these numbers of names on this list, we have to admit one thing. One, the scholarship body operate under a very strict limit, and they assess far more qualified candidates that they can fund. Look at how many people that applied. They actually operate under such strict limit that okay, there is a limit of to what they can admit. So many strong applications do not progress, not because they are weak, not because the application is not so good, but because the competition is very, very high, and there is a limited slot, there is a limited number of people that they actually want to select. However, I would want to recommend or advise you that you should keep to it. Don't give up. Okay, don't give up. Continue checking for opportunities. Some people, I've seen some people's name that are on this list that there are people that I've worked with, that we have been trying to get our opportunity, we haven't gotten, but now we're able to get it through this one, not one, not two, not three. Okay, so that we work together. So I'm grateful to God that it happens. But I just want you to know that sometimes when you apply to opportunities like this and your name is not there, that is not the end of the road. Just keep to it. So myself that I'm talking, it is something that it is something that I'm seeing. So it is something that I'm seeing, like that happens to me firsthand. So this is not like a motivational talk. I'm just telling you the reality. There's something they call strategic reframing. This is the point where strategy matters more than emotion. I want you to use this moment, this period, to review your application critically. All what you wrote, the proposal, all the things you put together, review them, identify the gaps in alignment, timing, or documentation, even eligibility. So adjust your approach for the next available opportunities. I'm going to be posting opportunities as I see them on this channel. But try to look back inward and see what you didn't do well. Okay, and for all of you whose name are on this list, I want to congratulate you. Your selection reflects months and even sometimes persistence, years of persistence of academic effort, discipline, and so this is not the end of the journey. It is actually the beginning of a new phase, which involves deadlines, documentation, institutional coordination, and visa processes. So what you will do next, what you do in the next few weeks, is very, very critical. It's very, very important. So I would advise that you should get to it. You will recall from the email that you received. You must have received an email starting from on the 19th of December telling you that you have 180 days to do a lot of things, including visa. And you know that even though when you apply for visa, it could take like 2 months. In some regions it could take more. It could be 1 month in some areas. In some regions it could be shorter. So you just have to start doing a lot of things. You may need to do translation, you may need to do authentication, apostille, and all of that. So start preparing right now. You may need to start preparing for where you're going to get to, accommodation, how so many thought is going to be coming to your mind. So this is the right time for you to start, especially if you have made up your mind, because I know that some people will not stick up, right? Some people's name are on this list and they will not be coming. So if your name is on this list and you've made up your mind that you're coming to Brazil, start doing what you need to do. And subscribe to this channel for updates, deadlines, and you will need, don't forget I said, you will need time to do your documentation. Take time for your legalization, visa process. All of these things, it takes time. All right, so guys, look at the names that are on this list. There are some names that I'm so much familiar with. I'm saying a big congratulations to all of you. Fumilayo, David, Success. Who's the fourth person? Jennifer. All right, so guys, congratulations to everyone on this list. These 4 people I just called, they are someone that I kind of know personally. So congratulations to you guys. I'm wishing you Godspeed in your preparation, and of course successful resumption to start your program. Don't forget that this is just the beginning. Alright guys, you are serious about studying in Brazil, whether through the PEC-PG or other routes. This is not the time to pause. This is the time to prepare. Subscribe to this channel for updates about verified opportunities that can bring you to Brazil. And for those of you that got it once again, congratulations. Don't forget that you don't have to wait. You have no time to waste. You have between now to 180 days to do a lot of things. Legalization, translation of your documents, doing the apostle and whatever you. So you have between now to 180 days. And if you intend to apply again or pivot to another opportunity, I want you to start now, not later. For those people that need structured one-on-one guidance covering strategy, documentation, and institutional expectation, I do provide a personalized support. You can contact me directly on Instagram. My Instagram details are in the description below. And this is for candidates who are serious and ready to work with clear direction. As I bring it to close, I want you to remember that whether your name is on the list or not, your academic journey is still in motion. Outcome may change, but your preparation will always compound. So get to it. Stay focused, stay strategic, and keep your eyes on this channel for what comes next. Again, if you are yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe now. Hit the notification button so you'll be updated when I drop the new updates. I will see you in the next video. At a brave. Ciao, ciao.